You searched how to buy shares of NCAB Group AB publ. NCAB is a printed circuit board manufacturer listed on CBOE Europe under the ticker NCAB.ST, and this short guide is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker NCAB.ST to locate the listing. Make sure you select NCAB Group AB publ on CBOE Europe so you have the correct stock. Open the stock page to view basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the issuer name and ticker on the page to confirm this is the correct NCAB listing. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm to submit the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same example.